Hi everyone, I'm Mark Lewis, also known as Wishart. I have a main background in freelance illustration and concept design, and in this workshop we will take a look at learning how colour interacts with us on a day-to-day basis, what different colours mean, and how we can associate colours to help heal and recalibrate our emotions and mental attitude back to a more neutral and more positive way of feeling and thinking. We will also take a look at the importance of a sketchbook and designing one of my main props, a tree. Then we will take a look at what we have learned and create a final illustration, all in Photoshop. We will look at how we can use colour in our illustrations through the process of learning the base fundamentals of composition, perspective, custom brush creation, custom hotkeys, grayscaling and mood painting, all in Photoshop. Well, let's get started.